Hello, fourth graders. It's homework time again. Get your Succeed book. Today we will open to page 159. Let's look at the Lesson 9 homework helper. We see different methods for solving multiplication. We have partial products method and the standard algorithm. It says no matter which method I choose, I get the same product. Let's review the partial products method. When you do partial products, first you multiply 4 times the 5 ones. That's 20. Then 4 times 1, 10. 4 times 1, 10 is 4 tens. That's 40. Then 4 times 2 hundreds. 4 times 2 hundreds is 8 hundreds. Right here, that's 800. Then add them together, 860. Now let's look at the standard algorithm. When you do the standard algorithm, you do 5 times 4 ones equals 20, and instead of writing 20 like this, you put the 0 in the ones place and compose the 2 tens on the line under the tens digit. Then you multiply the 4 times the 110. 4 times 110 is 4 tens or 40, and you add the 2 tens that you composed here. That makes 6 tens or 60. So we put a 6 in the tens place for 6 tens. Then we multiply 4 times 2 hundreds. 4 times 2 hundreds is 8 hundreds. So we put the 8 in the hundreds place. And it's 860. It's the same answer. Now you can look at these examples of the standard algorithm. There's a reminder, when you use the standard algorithm, you multiply the ones first. You compose on the line. Look here, this one says 7 times 4 hundreds is 28 hundreds. I add the 6 hundreds and record 34 hundreds. I cross out the 6 hundreds after I add them. After you add what you composed, cross it off. Let's turn to page 161. Number 1, solve using each method. We're going to do partial products and the standard algorithm side by side. 46 times 2. For partial products, we do the 2 times 6 ones first. What's 2 times 6 ones equal? 12. Then we do 2 times 4 tens. What's 2 times 4 tens? 8 tens. What number is 8 tens? 8 tens is 80. Now we add them. What's 12 plus 80? Did you get 92? Good. For the standard algorithm, we multiply. 6 times 2 is 12. This time, instead of writing 12, we put the 2 in the ones place, compose the 10 on the line under the tens place. This shows us that it equals 12. Now we multiply 4 times 2 for the tens place, right, is 8 tens plus 1 more 10 that we composed here. That makes 9 tens. So we write the 9 in the tens place. Cross off what we composed. It equals 92. It's the same. Different method, same product. Let's try letter B. Starting with partial products. Start with 4 times 5 ones. 4 times 5 ones equals 20. Now we do 4 times 1 10. What's 4 times 1 10? 4 times 1 10 would be 4 tens. What number is 4 tens? 4 tens is 40. Now the next step, 4 times 3 hundreds. 4 times 3 hundreds would be 12 hundreds. How do you write 1200? See if you can write that for the third step. 1200. What does that look like? Is this what yours looks like? 1200 is also called 1200. Now we add them. Do your adding and see what you get. Did you get 1260? All right, now let's try the standard algorithm. 5 times 4 equals 20. Instead of writing 20, we just put the 0 in the ones place and compose the 2 tens on the line. Now we multiply the 4 times the 110. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 2 more tens makes 6 in the tens. Then we cross off this because we used it. Now we multiply the 4 times the 300s. 3 times 4 equals 12. We can just write 12. We don't need to compose on the line because this is the last place value. We don't need to add it later. So we got 1260. It matches. Number 2 says solve using the standard algorithm. 232 times 4. Start in the ones place. 2 times 4 equals 8. Now the tens. 3 times 4 equals 12. We put down the 2 and compose the 1 on the line under the hundreds this time. 2 times 4 is 8, plus the 1 we composed makes 9. We got 928. Letter B, 142 times 6. Start in the ones place. 2 times 6. What's 2 times 6 equal? You can count by twos. 2 times 6 equals 12. We don't write 12 down here. We put the 2 in the ones and compose the 10 on the line under the tens column. Now we multiply the tens digit times the 6. 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 1 makes 25. Now we're not going to write 25 all down here. We put the 5 in the tens place and compose the 2 on the line for 25. The 2 goes under the hundreds. Now we're doing 1 times 6 equals 6, plus the 2 we composed equals 8. 852. Letter C. Starting in the ones place, 4 times 7 equals 28. We put the 8 down in the ones place, compose the 2 tens on the line. Now multiply the tens times the 7. 1 times 7 equals 7. Add the 2. 7 plus 2 more makes 9. Cross off the 2. Now we multiply the hundreds digit times the 7. 3 times 7 equals 21. We can go ahead and write that and put our comma in. 2,198. Okay, let's try letter E together. You could try D on your own later. Starting in the ones place, 7 times 8. Do you know that one? 7 times 8 is 56. So we're going to put the 6 in the ones and compose the 5 tens on the line like this. Then we do 0 times 8 equals 0, but we need to add the 5 that we composed. What's 0 plus 5? 5. Write that here. Cross off what we composed. Now we multiply the hundreds digit. 5 times 8 equals 40. You can write that here. Put your comma in. 4,056. We'll do one more together. Letter F. Start in the ones place. What's 4 times 9? 4 times 9 equals 36. We're going to write the 6 in the ones place, compose the 3 tens on the line. Now we do the tens digit. 8 times 9. That's a big one. Do you know 8 times 9? It equals 72. Add the 3. Count up. What's 72 plus 3? 75. Put the 5 here in the tens place. Compose the 7 on the line. Now we do the hundreds. 3 times 9 equals 27. But we need to add the 7. What's 27 plus 7? You can count up, right? 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. I got 34. Write it down. Put your comma in. Cross off what we used. 3,456. Okay, you try some of the other problems on your own. You can do it. See you next time. Bye.